channel. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Kensecrets, and this is my channel. Stay tuned so you guys can see how I was able to achieve this beautiful, perfect, well-defined twist out. I love my hair, I love my skin, and I love my people. Black Lives Matter. So you always know step one is water, and this is mainly water with just a little bit of aloe water with it. So you're going to spray your desired amount, and then you just go ahead and massage the water in, depending if you have low or high porosity. Next is the leave-in conditioner. Going to spray that in. Use as much as you want. Just be mindful that it can have a buildup of the product at the end, especially if you're not doing it on freshly washed hair. The next step, the Curl Enhance Smoothie by Shea Moisture, adding that mainly to the ends of my hair. Next is the Curls Unleashed Curl Defining Cream. Just adding this. This is mainly water-based, so I don't really use that much, but just adding it so that I can have a well-defined twist out at the end. Once you have added all your products, you are now going to detangle, starting at the end of the hair, detangling the ends, and then working your way up. I like my hair to be well defined, so for my hair to be well defined, I have to make sure it is detangled. So I also go through with my other detangling brush, and then I also hand detangle at the end just to make sure that all my strands are detangled. Now you add the avocado oil over that to keep the moisture locked in. Now adding in just a little bit of the curly curl gel so that my twists are holding. Alright, so you just take 2 strands of your hair and you start twisting it together. And that's how simple it is. You just take 2 strands and then you twist. And so that's what we're doing now. We are twisting all the way to the end. So twisting all the way to the end. Once I do that, I am just going to twirl it in my finger to make sure that the ends are holding together. Alright, then just trim a little piece, and now here it is again, detangling, making sure that you know all the strands are detangled. Then I am going to take the gel, rub it in, and then again 2 strands. After you have your 2 strands, you just start twisting, twist, twist, and then you twist all the way to the end. I also detangle midway through as I'm twisting to make sure that the strands are still detangled while I am twisting all the way to the end. By the way, when I was on the top half of my hair, I exchanged out the Curl Unleashed Curl Defining Cream for the Pantene Defining Curl Styling Custard. One, because I only had a little bit left, so I didn't have enough to use on my entire head. And this product is it has great quality, so I just decided to use it on my top half of my head, and you'll see at the end results that it makes your curls well defined. So I have my hair in hair ties so that it's stretched out. I do that 2 hours before, and I also blow dry my hair before I take it out. To make things easier, you just want to unravel the opposite way that you twist your hair.